alternate interior angles. The concept of alternate angles is very important, especially when exploring the property of triangles and polygons. Alternate angles are formed when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. Alternate interior angles are located inside the parallel line, but on opposite sides of the transversal. As can be understood from the figure, one line, A, and line, B, are intersected by line, C. Then, angle, F, and angle, G, are the alternate interior angles. The value of angle, F, and G, are equal. Similarly, as can be understood from the figure, angle, P, and angle, R, are also a pair of alternate interior angles. Thus, the value of angle, P, and R, are equal. The question is, how do we prove that the value of angle A and B are equal? Please subscribe for the full answer.
Before that, please support us through Patreon, or PayPal, or the purchasing of our book on Amazon. Find the link in the description.
The theorem of alternate angles involves the theorem of corresponding angles and vertical angles. Those concepts were provided in the previous video. Please find the link in the monitor or in the description. First, let us focus on angle M in the figure. Angle M is shown in red color. Angle M and angle G are equal. This is because they are actually corresponding angles. Then, we get the first equation. Next, we find that angle M and angle F are also equal. This is because they are actually vertical angles. Then, we get the second equation. From the first and the second equations, we find that angle F is equal to angle G. Herewith, we find that the theorem of has been proven. The other pair of alternate interior angles can be also proven using the same procedure. Those angles are angle P and angle R.
Please support us by buying our books, or by donation through Patreon and PayPal. The links are provided in the description. Our books can be obtained in electronic medium and as printing books. You can send the books as gifts for your beloved ones. Do not forget also to subscribe and